A few weeks ago, Noel commented this on one of our videos. A very good morning to you guys. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. I am Gavin.
And I'm Adrian.
We walked into Cafe Real and for a moment I felt like I walked into a library. There is a lot of silence here. The good thing is it is hot outside, but there's air conditioning and the seating is very comfortable as well. So we've got our menu. Now let's go through the menu and see what all we can order. So looks like a small menu, and first section here is tea, specialty lemon tea, cold coffee, Bonvita. The rates look really reasonable, considering it's a clean place, it's air conditioning, and some more drinks over here. So some really refreshing drinks. We will definitely take one of these, but the section that we are most interested in is in this section. So we'll see what we need to order, and this confused me for a moment, but yeah, this is special cauliflower and chana masala, samosa plate. Okay, again interesting section, masala dosa. Adrian for some reason is interested in the masala dosa, so we will take one of those. Let's flip over, and yes, some more things here. Oh, it's around like 10:30 in the morning, and there were people that were still over here. They just left, and some people walked in. And like I said earlier, the rates are very good considering the hygiene, the cleanliness, and everything about this place has been impressive so far. Now, the main thing, let's find out after tasting the food. So this gentleman here has been very courteous, very kind, and we've got so much. So first of all, I really want to thank our viewers. Adrian and myself were talking about how many great recommendations we've got from you guys. So Noel especially, thank you so much for this recommendation. You had recommended Cafe Bhosle as well. Right, now let's dive straight into this. Look at this. So the puris are piping hot, and I really love the fluffy look on the puris. So these are puris. This is the mixed bhaji. This is the suki bhajis. More puris here. Mirchi pakoda. We had missed this in one of the videos, and we are not going to miss that today. And one of my favorite again, vada and samosa. I also wanted to go for the bhaji, but bhaji is not there. Adrian wanted dosa, but that is not there as well. So yeah, we want to eat a lot, but then it's not possible for us to eat so much. But then yeah, we've taken the main stuff. All right, first of all, let's go for the mixed bhaji. So the mixed bhaji consists of potatoes, and these are chanas. Extremely amazing quality. Taste is great. Puri is fluffy. Very nice flavors. Look at this, it's flaky. And now, okay, before I go for that, let me take another bite. I'm talking about the flavors in the mixed bhaji. Potatoes are cooked really well, soft. It has the dressing of cumin, mustard, very nice flavors. So everything so far is perfect about the mixed bhaji. And the potatoes in this tasted great, so obviously this is going to be the same as well. So suki bhaji has a similar thing. If you are a fan of potato and you want those awesome Indian flavors of the masalas, you must try suki bhaji. Especially if you are international tourist and if you are visiting Goa, you must try the various delicacies that you get in authentic Goan breakfast. Okay, now let me pick one of these. So this is called mirchi pakoda. Mirchi stands for chili. And okay, let me take a bite. And there's coconut chutney here as well. Again, very nice. Only complaint is I wish this was a little more crispier. I think this was fried earlier and kept, but the taste is fantastic. Very nice tip. Okay, so let me show you what it's made up of. So this is gram flour. It's the batter, and this chili inside is the thick chili. So it's not very spicy. Like we don't find it spicy. but for international tourists visiting, you might find it a little spicy, but we are okay with it. Okay, let me keep this aside. Now let me go for the samosa. So they have given the coconut chutney and a bit of ketchup. I'll take both. This has the crunch. I want a similar crunch in the mirchi, but yeah, no problem. So potato here is not like the Punjabi samosas. I mean the samosa is not like the Punjabi samosa. It's different. Samosas in Goa are different. If you see here, the crust is thinner, but it's very very crispy, and it has a generous amount of potato. It feels very heavy. Impressed with the samosa as well. And now last, let's go for the vada. So vada is the same coconut chutney and ketchup, so I'll just take it from there. But before I take a bite, let me show you inside. Again, filling of potato and gram flour. But now let's go for the taste. Vada and ketchup. If you've not tried it, you have to try it. It's a very very good combination. Obviously, I would love to get the sweet and the spicy chutney and the sukha chutney that you get in Mumbai, in Bombay. But this is good as well. I don't know what that sound is, but yeah. So overall, amazing experience, really worth the price, really worth making a trip here. And we want to find more places like these. We love authentic Goan food, and again I want to thank all our viewers for trusting us and watching us since like 2 or 3 years since we've started the channel. And if you know more places like these, do let us know in the comments. Okay, one more thing. Adrian has ordered the sweet lime soda. I want to steal that and take a sip. Very refreshing. But I am that Indian. No matter how hot it is outside, I need my chai. So I'm waiting for that. So yes, let me tell you how the chai is as well. So even if it is boiling hot outside, some of us just can't stay without our tea. Superb tea. Very very nice tea. And let me show you a close-up. So yeah, it's not at all watery, it's thick. And one of you guys also mentioned in the video why Adrian doesn't talk a lot. This is why she doesn't talk a lot. She's either shooting or eating, and there's nothing in between. So yeah, I think if you want a review, you can clearly see that how fast she's eating everything. But yes, it's really nice to have Adrian back in the video. She cannot join me for the virtual tour, it's too hot. But yes, for food vlogs, Adrian is there. Right, Adrian? For food, you're always there. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. And until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.